Hi friends, this video shows how to change date format in PS5. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system. Under system, select date and time. Under date and time, here we can find date format. Select it. So here we can see three options. So right now I am using the third option. If you want to change, let me select the first one. See, so this way we can change date format in PS5. So let me go back to previous format. Done. Okay, so this way we can change date format. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. If you have any doubt, please comment.